It's spring loaded. You have to unload the spring. My friend, my friend, don't do crazy stuff, okay? You have to do stuff in order. Okay, don't get. You have to follow rules. Okay, look, this one has a spring. If you take out the screw, you can hurt yourself. You have to take the spring off. Okay. You see that one? You didn't take the spring off. Almost hurt you. Go ahead.
Look at this one. It's not loose.
This is my very important screwdriver. Okay. I open a lot of doors with this screwdriver.